Odyssey 2024. With the theme of Catalyst, Challenge the Status Quo, we created a platform for learners of grades 8 to 12 to explore innovation, expression, and growth. Odyssey was a student-led celebration of creativity, curiosity, and collaboration hosted by Knowledgeum Academy. From insightful workshops and interactive installations to an open stage, the incorporation of immersive participation, leadership, and collaboration helped Knowledgeumites prove that they are prepared to inspire, perform, and evolve with times. Participants' artistic freedom was explored through hands-on activities at the Visual Arts Workshop. Thought-provoking sessions on design thinking and future tech sparked curiosity about the future of work in space tech. At Knowledgeum Academy, we prepare learners for the world. They're stepping into a world that demands leadership, creative problem-solving, and collaboration.